Listen, they say that grannies are the most brutally honest persons on earth. They're also the sweetest. They say what they truly feel, and we're going to share some phrases with you from some Jamaican grannies.
All right, so here's the granny.
Me's the granny, okay.
So I say, grandma, my belly hurt me, you know.
Go and go drink like a warm tea.
What kind of warm tea, though?
Any tea, Franny warm.
And it work. Any tea work.
Any tea, let's like a warm something. Even like a sugar warm, water warm up.
Yeah. So, granny, what you say to people when you're outside giving mischief?
You see you? Chicken Mary hot then here.
You see why she's an actor, not me. Granny, me have fever.
Go on for the beer rum and come make her rub you up.
You know what I could never understand?
What?
That when you get wet and them go for white rum and rub it.
In the mall.
Yeah. Fine. So why you drink that? No. why you drink that? Eh?
It cleanses out the inside.
A man opened a white rum bottle beside me once. And I had to go like that the way it was so strong. I said, why
and you have different types.
Why would you drink that?
You have some trunk bad.
How you know?
I smell it.
Sometimes bad things happen what she warned you about.
Yes, man. Hard, here's picnic me am rock stone. Or me say, hey, you're going suck salt through wooden spoon.
I've never heard that.
Yes, yeah.
It's
almost impossible to happen, so the fact that you're going to have to go do it.
I know about the warm tea, I hear chicken Mary, I hear beer rum. I've never heard anybody say, ah, you're picking the rock stone or you're going to suck salt through wooden spoon.
Yes. Yeah.
I've never heard that.
Yeah.
Everybody inside, I hear that? Yeah. So me, I only Spanish Town Road, you hear that?
A lot. Spanish Town heard it a lot.
Spanish Town Road, you live with your grandmother? Oh. You live with your grandmother? You live with your grandmother? Yeah, you live with your grandmother. You don't live with your grandmother. You used to. You live with your grandmother? I first me hear that.
That's
Richard, you live hear that before too?
You all live with your grandmother.
Everybody in there hear it? So me I only person in my life. Yeah, man. Yeah, how do you speak in the rockstone or you're going to suck salt through? I have never heard that.
True wooden spoon.
When you are behaving like your parents.
Chip never fly far from the block.
Me hear that. When you want to follow your friends.
Oh, puss and dog now have the same love.
Me hear that. When you're complaining about church.
Well, this I've never. You better start go church because it's not going pretty down a hill.
Never hear that.
Or them tell you say 6 man go and carry your back.
I've never heard that.
You want to walk out of church but it's sick. You know what that means? You want to walk out but it's 6 man go and carry your back.
Well, so you better start go church because it's not going pretty down a hill. Never heard that. So when you hear that too?
No.
So nobody ever get that. So where can you get that from?
6 man go and carry your back. Go on to church now.
So I was an altar boy.
You were?
Yeah, man. I used to
at which church?
Christ Church in Avinato.
Oh,
we used to teach altar boy. So one of the things that we did is we had to hold the Bible like that for the priest.
To read.
To read. But I fell asleep. I'm serious. And through my hand hold the paper. It was a little tough, but I made the priest, I made him know everybody. So
that's what Granny would say.
So
closer to church, but further from God.
Yeah. So Mama come with this thing now because we used to go to a party on Saturday night. And you know want to go to church. So Mama just said, well, the only way you can go now here, church in the morning. So no matter what time you reach, you better find yourself at church. So I fell asleep that morning. What was the last time? Only one time it happened to me.
I don't know. I don't understand this one.
When you're misbehaving,
I don't know what that means.
You need rubbing out a draw over. Never heard that. I didn't even understand what that
I've never heard that one.
You want to rub out and draw over?
Let me just say fire there must steal in think a cool breeze.
Can which part of Jamaica you come from, please?
Yes.
Can?
Rubbing out a draw over. What is that, Can?
I just asked you which part of Jamaica you come. Oh, you're from Kingston? No wonder you tell me about you better start with church card. Me never hear none. And I don't know why you're telling me that I'm going
them say if fire there must steal, you think a cool breeze. Or, them say, this thing about the sultry winds, but them say, stay man, you're going to find out how water walk a pumpkin belly.
First beer that too.
Yes. Yes. Oh, you're going to find out. So there's a song that says, oh, water walk go a pumpkin belly. Who asked me that? No, me old time granny from down in the country. She says, sir, I want to know. Yeah.
Two things I know, it's not my granny, but two things I know Mama used to do that to this day I don't understand. One of them, well, I understand the second one. I just think she did wicked still. But one of them is if you don't stop crying, I'm going to give you something
to cry for.
That can't make no sense. I am crying. So, no, but I am crying. Aye, big tune.
From down in the country. I want to know.
What's Spanish Town Road? Aye. I didn't know it today. I didn't go there. I first see my ear today.
A water walk, go a pumpkin.
Yeah, man. So Mama used to say, if you don't stop crying, I'm going to give you something to cry about. Ah, no, I don't understand that. But I am crying. So what you going to give me something to cry? Me don't cry already. Where you give me for cry? No, but I am crying. So then you are saying you're going to give me something to cry about. Me don't cry. So where you give me again?
And then them lick and say.
I'm foolish sister.
Quiet.
Yeah, I'm foolish sister. Yeah. No, I say it's foolish sister. That don't cry. The next thing, and I think it's just Mama. I think it's just Mama alone used to do this. Like in the middle of the day, me would do something and she just say, go into your room and put on your pajamas. No, but in the middle sat there. So my friend them come for me now. So me no want to let them see me in the pyjama. I just take from the room and ball out and say, check back little more. And Mama just said, he's in the room in his pajamas. It could have bought me. All right, folks. There you go.
My grandmother just had a look. That was it. She never have to say much.
Soon come back. Stay with us.
That's a look.
Oh, what a walk, oh, a pumpkin belly. Whoa.